Everyone talks about selling products on Amazon, but it seems like it's not like a money printing machine. So here's how you can grow your business from home if you know the rules. So today in this video, we're going to discuss how you can sell on Amazon and the new rules which has been created for 2026. So let's dive into it. Everyone talks about selling on Amazon, but in 2026 the rules has been changed. But today we'll discuss about how you can sell on Amazon. So step 1, you have to decide what you want to sell. So starting with product research is the best part you have to perform over here. So you're not selling like iPhone 17 Pro Max. You have to know what it goes for iPhone 17 Pro Max, such as phone charger, back cover, or any other accessories. That's the main part of the step 1. Step 2, so you have to open your account. So you will get two options to open your account. Number 1, individual account. Number 2, professional account. We guys from ZoneHack, we guys suggest you to open professional account so that you can get the access of professional dashboard, you can have the access of advertisement and your reporting system. Now moving on to product listing, step 3. So if you are listing your product, you will get to know that there are two options where you can deliver your product. So number 1 is fulfillment by merchant. So that means you are going to place your product and when the order comes, you will place your product. And number 2 is fulfillment by Amazon, that is known as FBA. So if you are selecting FBA, that means you gotta give your product attributes, you gotta push your product size. So in this case, pricing comes next. That means pricing is very much important when you are listing your product. So there are two types of Amazon referral fees that Amazon deducts from your product sales. Number 1 is Amazon referral fee. To be honest, it dances around from 15%. And number 2 is FBA fees. That completely depends on your product weight. So if we're going to discuss about 2026 updates, you should know that Amazon Fulfillment Center has stopped packaging your product or labeling your product. And this is the new update of 2026. And that means when you are supplying your product from the supplier, request them to add their product labels as well as the FN SKU. Otherwise, when your product will ship to the Amazon warehouse, it won't find the owner's name or it won't detect that it is coming from you. So as a result, it will cost you a lot when your shipment will be lost. So if you find this very helpful, please hit the like button and follow our channel ZoneHack. We will be coming with another video related with product research and we will make a series of how to sell on Amazon starting with product searching, product resourcing, supplying, listing your product, etc. etc. So stay tuned and we will see you soon.